Assalamualaikum and very good day. So this is teacher Nasreen. So we are going to learn about periodic table of the elements. Happy learning. So there are some contributor to the historical development of periodic tables. So we have here Antoine Lavoisier, Johann W. de Bruynolf, John Newlands, Lothar Meyer, Dmitry Mendeleev, and Henry G. Moseley. So those 6 person I asked and I need you to read about them in the chemistry textbooks. Okay. Now we go to arrangement of elements in periodic table. So elements in periodic table are arranged in increasing order of proton number from 1 until 118. Okay, elements with similar chemical properties are placed in the same vertical column. So we call it as a group. We have 4 new elements which were discovered, which is NH-nihonium, macam tahu je daripada mana kan, maybe Japan. Moscovium, Moscow maybe, tennessine, TS, and oganesson. So I think this is the new one. Yeah, we have here Moscovium, levantium, tennessine, and oganesson. Empat tu dia dah masuk kat bawah ni. So we have the vertical columns. We call it as group 1, group 2, group 13, 14, 15, 16, until 18. So we have the transition element at the middle. And those horizontal line we call it as period. So like period 1 we have hydrogen and helium. Period 2 we have lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. And period 3 we have until period 7. So we have here two groups. Is it two groups? Two section which is extracted from the main period table. So we call it as lanthanide series, the first one, the pink color, and actinide series, the orange color. Okay, the green color is a metal. We have some semi-metal here, so the blue color boxes, and non-metal, the yellow color boxes, including hydrogen. Hydrogen is a non-metal. Okay, so we have 18 vertical columns of elements in periodic table. Each vertical columns of element is called a group. So we have group 1 until group 18, and 7 horizontal rows of elements. We call it as period. So we have period 1 until period 7. So there are 2 series of elements which with the proton numbers of 57 to 71, and we have another set. We call it as 89 and 103. So those 2 series are known as lanthanides and actinides. So how the electron arrangement of the atoms of element related to its group and period? Okay, the number of valence electron. What is valence electron? Electron position at the outermost layer shell of an atom, so we call it as valence electron. It will decide the position of the group of an element in the periodic table. It will decide the group. So if we have 1 valence electron, it is group 1. Okay, if the atoms have 2 valence electron, it is in group 2. But when the atom have 3 valence electron, it is group 13, not group 3. Okay, so start daripada valence electron 3 sampai 8, dia lompat kepada belas-belas punya group. Okay, another example, if the atoms have 4 valence electron, it is group 4. And the list is go on until the last one. If the atom have 8 valence electron, it is in group 18. So how about period? Period number of an element is equal to number of shell occupied with electron in its atom. So for example, we have these atoms. How many shell occupied with electron? 1, 2, 3. So this atom, we will find it in period 3. Okay. Kalau group, cuba tengok ni. How many valence electron? 1, 2, 3. So period 3, group 3. This one is as an examples. Okay. Relationship between the electron arrangement of atoms of an element and its group and period. Okay, you can pause this clip and start fill in the blank. Okay, finish already. Now, you'll check the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, you may see The yellow color is the place where should you put the numbers. But let us see the lithium first. The electron enrichment is 2, 1. Okay, so the valence electron is 1. Number of shell occupied with electron is 2. The first shell is 2, second shell is 1. So valence electron is 1. So it is in lithium is in group 1 because the number of shell occupied with electron is 2. So it is in period 2. So lithium is group 1, period 2. Now we'll go to chlorine. Chlorine have 287 as the valence electron, sorry, electron arrangement of atoms, electron arrangement. So valence electron is 7, so it is in group 17, okay? Three shell occupied with electrons. First a shell is 2 electron, second shell 8, a third shell is 7, so it is in period 3. So when we want to tell about the position of chlorine in periodic table, so we say like this: chlorine position at group 17 in period 3. Tu cara dia. Okay. Advantages of grouping in periodic table. The systematic arrangement of elements in the periodic table helps us to study the elements systematically, especially in their physical and chemical properties.